Are you looking to study in Europe with affordable tuition and scholarship opportunities? Today, let's talk about the University of Luxembourg and how you can apply for scholarships to study there. The University of Luxembourg is one of Europe's youngest universities, founded in 2003. It's a multilingual, international, and research-oriented institution with programs in English, French, and German. Currently, it's ranked among the top 25 universities worldwide under 50 years old. Why choose Luxembourg? Located at the heart of Europe, close to Belgium, France, and Germany, it's a multicultural country with strong job opportunities in finance, tech, and EU institutions. Plus, there's a low cost of tuition compared to many European universities. Scholarship opportunities. At the University of Luxembourg, students can benefit from Guillaume Dupay International Master's Scholarships. These are awarded to highly talented international students and cover up to €5,146 per semester for a maximum of 2 years. There are other merit-based scholarships available, which are provided to students with outstanding academic records. Some of these scholarships may even include housing allowances, which is pretty great. In addition, international students may also apply for support through Luxembourg government scholarships and grants. Now, let's talk about eligibility and requirements. You'll need admission to a master's program at the University of Luxembourg, along with a strong academic performance. Plus, you'll be asked for a motivation letter, recommendation letters, and, depending on your program, proof of language proficiency. So, how do you apply? Well, the application process is pretty straightforward. You'll need to apply online for your chosen program via the university's portal. Make sure to submit all required documents before the deadline, which is usually between February and April, depending on the program. If you're selected, you'll automatically be considered for scholarships like the Guillaume Dupay. Alright, here are some tips for success. Apply early and carefully review the specific requirements for your program. Be sure to highlight your achievements, leadership skills, and international outlook. And don't forget to really strengthen your motivation letter. Show why Luxembourg is the right choice for you. So, if you're dreaming of studying in Europe, the University of Luxembourg could honestly be your golden ticket, with scholarships that make education more affordable and accessible. Don't miss the deadlines and start preparing today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more study abroad opportunities.